In this video, we show how to replace the system cover on a PowerEdge R470. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To open the R470, turn the lock counterclockwise, then lift the latch, and then slide the cover off the system. To install the cover, align the cover with the system, slide the latch down, and then lock the latch by moving it clockwise. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R470, visit dell.com/support.